Right, so here we go with the next question on the board, question 18. Two ball bearings have volumes 1.6 centimeter cube and 5.4 centimeter cube. Find the ratio of their surface areas. So when you talk of ball bearing is spherical in shape. So which means this is talking about what? A sphere. All right. So let's start with the solving. Solution. Volume of a sphere. Let's do that. Volume of a sphere. The formula is this: 4 over 3 pi r cube. That's the formula of volume of a sphere. All right. We are told that the volumes are 1.6 centimeter cube and 5.4 centimeter cube. So which means we have V1 to be 1.6 centimeter cube and V2 to be 5.4 centimeter cube. So the two volumes are not the same, which means they will have separate radius too. So which means for the volume of this, the radius is R1. Volume of this, the radius is R2. That is the meaning. All right. So after getting that, you put all this one into this formula now. You put all this value into this formula now. For the first one, V1 is 1.6. So which means I will put it here as 1.6 equals to 4 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius, which is R1 raised to the power of 3. Don't forget that. The same thing, I'll also put this 5.4 into that formula. I will have 5.4 equals to 4 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by R2 all raised to the power of 3. So I can divide, let me call this equation 1 and let me call this equation 2. So I can now divide equation 1 by equation 2. If I do that, I'm going to have 1.6 over 5.4 equals to, by the time you divide this and this go, this also cancel out. Are you following? So we are left with R1 over R2 all raised to the power of 3 because two of them have the same exponent. But I need to take this one back to something like this that will have the same exponent as this one. So 1.6 divided by 5.4 is same thing as 8 over 27. This is 8 over 27 equals to R1 over R2 all raised to the power of what? 3. Then I have not still changed it back to this exponent, so I will need to change it now. 8 is same thing as saying 2 raised to the power 3 over 3 raised to the power 3 equals to R1 over R2 all raised to the power of what? 3. So this implies that what? They're having the same exponent here. You take them, 2 over 3 all raised to the power of 3 equals to R1 all divided by 2, or all divided by R2, then raised to the power of what? 3. Now, since the exponents are the same, so according to the law of indices, since exponents are the same, the two of them powers can be equated together, then you equate the base. So let me just marry this base for that. So this means these powers are the same, which means R1 over R2 will be equals to what now? 2 over 3. So please refer to this side. So we have gotten the ratio of R1 to R2 to be what? 2 over 3. So we now go back to the formula for area of a sphere, surface area of a sphere. So and the surface area of a sphere is given by 4 pi r squared. All right. So and we are looking for the ratio of A1 to what? A2. So which means A1 ratio to A2 will be 4 pi R1 squared over what? 4 pi R2 squared. That's the meaning. So 4 can cancel 4, right? Pi will cancel pi. So A1 over A2 will now be equals to what? R1 over R2. They have the same exponent again. You can see raised to the power of 2. And we have already gotten R1 over R2, which is 2 over 3. So just replace here. So you are going to have 2 over 3 all squared raised to the power of 2. So this is going to give us 4 over 9, which is the same thing as 4 ratio 9. So option A is the correct answer to the problem. That is 4 ratio 9. So that is how you solve problems like this when you see it in your exam. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video to your colleagues. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.